Hey everyone, it's your boy Sanele. Some people they call me small boy. Today I'm going to test my parent, my relative, my niece. I'll test them how they will choose this thing. We'll see what is it. This one. I will show them, ask them how you choose if you were the best smoker in the world. If you smoke, yeah. So they will choose those things, those things they will choose. I want to ask them that, bro, what's happening? What's your favorite thing? Okay, we are here. Let me start with Zama. Yeah, how you choose one? Like let's say you are the best smoker in the world. What would you choose? Number 4. Okay, number 4. Snuggle. Let me say you are the best, like the pemai. You choose a pillar.
No.
You choose a
Number 2.
Number 2, okay. Number 2. Oh, yeah. Midlalo. So ungachoose iphi? Let's say ungumuntu obhemayo kakhulu, ungachoose iphi la?
Oh, selibhema kakhulu.
Yeah, choose a number.
Yo. Into liqala le.
Ichofu. Behalbi belicuba.
Ndingakuchoose intsangu
Number 4. Okay. So ungachoose iphi la?
So kuthiwa like ubhema kakhulu, uthanda ukubhema. It's
Number ba? Kanye icuba, kanye nentsangu, kanye ichofu. Number 2. Okay. Hey Melo. Hey Melo. Zap. Ngachoose iphi la? Let's say uyabhema. Ngachoose iphi la? Number ba? Number ba?
1.
Number 1. Okay. What ngachoose iphi? Okay. Let's cut.